how to use exploration manuals in Whiteout Survival. So other than how you can get these things, you can use these rarity exploration manuals directly on your heroes that has starred up. So you can go ahead and press on this. So if you have noticed, you go to a non-star character and you go to the skills option, you won't be able to use it. As you can see, there's a button here that says you need to ascend to at least a star to upgrade either the exploration or expedition skills. So of course, what you're going to have to do is ascend them. So I'm not sure if this is enough. It's not actually. So let's just go ahead to a character that already has enough uh, stars. So this one has 1 star already. So we can go to its skills and upgrade his current exploration skills. So you can use the exploration manuals here and the expedition manuals here, but if you go ahead and do so, it depends on what rank the character is. So if that character is epic, you'll be using epic exploration manuals. So if that character is a higher level, like a legendary, then you're gonna have to use the legendary exploration manuals. So there, you can go ahead and use them. Of course, you're gonna have to ascend to another star, of course, to get more upgrades for that skill. But that's pretty much how you use the exploration manuals in Whiteout Survival. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.